Ready to share your voice with the world. Discover how to effortlessly create a sound blog website on Wix. No coding skills required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So hello guys and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog. With its intuitive drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content, whether you are sharing personal stories or expert insights. Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So you have just to watch this video until the end and start following these steps, and you will achieve your goals for sure, which is creating a blog website in Wix.com. So right now let's just scroll down. I will show you how you can create a blog website with Wix.com. So here we have the steps that you have to follow. How to create a website for free. Follow the 6 simple steps to create a website today. The first one, which is choose a platform. Start creating, customize your website, optimize your search engines. Then we have here publish website, and the last step, which is promote and drive traffic. So here we have it, as you can see. So we have just to click over get started and you will find it this page, as you can see. So as you can see, you have just to write your email address here, and also you link your confirm email address, the password, and confirm the password. Then you click over sign up. Also we have other options. You can use Google and Facebook as well. And if you click over login, you will find other page which is like this one. So I will show you how. Here we have, you write your email address and you have just to click over continue with your email, and then you write your password, then you get started. So once you do that, you will find here this page. Here we have this page of sites, and you have just to click over create new site, and then you will find this page, as you can see. So here we have what type of website do you want to create. You have just to select the one you want, such as blog comments soon, mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, technology blog, and other one. Then you have just to click over continue, and you will find this dashboard. So here we have how you can do that. So the first steps, let's set up your blog. You have just to apply your blog type, connect a custom domain, find your perfect domain and secure it, and in a few clicks. Then we have the third step, which is write your first blog post, design your website, and the last one, which is get found on Google. So here we have it. Also we have other options like home here, getting paid, or payment blog, video library, apps, site and mobile app, inbox, customers and leads, marketing, analytics, automation. Then we have here settings, and we have CMS. And if you want to design site, you click over here, or you can just come back to the top right and the left and the right, I mean, and you click over design of site. Once you do that, you will find our page, which is this one. How would you like to design your website? The first choice, which is customize a template. Browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. You click over pick a template, or you can choose the second option, which is generate our design with EA, get a personalized site design in seconds. And then you'll find this page. Here we have it. This is the page of templates. You can just select the template that you want. So here we have it. For example, if it is related to the business and services, you select this one. Or if it's related to the store, creative, community, and blog, of course, I will choose this one. So we choose if it is personal blog, food and travel, news and businesses, and we have here arts, fashion and beauty, and we have here also sports and wellness and podcasts. So you can just scroll down and you choose the template that you want. Also, if you don't like this page of templates, you can select another one. You have 6 pages. So for example, I will just click over this one and I will click over edit. Once you do that, you will find here the page of customizing or the page of designing of or modifications. So here we have it. Firstly, we have a home, about, travel, eat, relax, and videos. So if we scroll down, this is how it looks. All right. So right now we have just firstly to edit elements if you want. But firstly, let's click over home here and let's click over manage pages. So this option, you can just add a page if you want, or you can just also delete these pages. So you have just to delete these pages and then you click over add page, you add how much page you want, then you get started by designing your template. Then we have here the option of blog page, such as blog or post, so you choose the one you want. Then here we have it also, and the left we have here this option of add elements. So in this one we have here various things, like here we have text. If you want to change text, like here add hidden, add a hidden to add a hidden for, and here we have paragraph titles also here. Then we have paragraphs, collapsible text, text mark, text mask. As you can see, you can just select this one and do the letter, then you put it here. So here we have it. Right now if just have to click over Endo. Alright, here we have explore. You can just also here zoom out or zoom in. And here we have also other options, like here we have this image if you want. The text, we have here also image, sorry. If you want to upload, if you want a freeform Wix, free Wix illustration, logo, custom logo. Then we have here button, like theme button, text and icon buttons, image buttons, document buttons, iTunes buttons, Wix chapter buttons. So you can just add whatever you want. Then here we have swipe, then you have decorative, box, gallery as well, menu and unsure. Then we have here contact and forms, video and music, interactive, lists, embed code, social, payments, CMS, blog, store, bookings, events, food and beverage, community and my designs. Then here we have this option of other section. If you want, here we have about, gallery, team, contact, features, promotion, business info, service, subscribe, testimonial, and other options. Also we have here this for color, anything related to the background or the colors of text, page background. And then we have here also this one, Wix apps app market. Then we have here settings, as you can see. Then here we have also this of media. For example, we can add here this one, photo studio, video maker. Then here we have this one, CMS, use the CMS, easily manage your site content. So this is how it works. You can just right now to click over publish and you share it by modifying all these things. Then you get started with Wix.com. So here we have it. So this is for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video.